I'm here to tell you about the key features of the Mono PERC 365 to 375 watts 120 half-cut cell solar module series, manufactured by Yuhuan Sunpro Power. Highly efficient with conversion efficiency of up to 20.27% and durable with mechanical load of up to 8,000 Pascal. And this module series includes 3 models ranging from 365 to 375 watts of maximum power. Multiple advanced technologies strongly benefit the product's performance and reliability. Larger than conventional 166mm half cells with passivated emitter rear contact design allow the module to be a top performer in any kind of photovoltaic projects, from small rooftops to big megawatt-sized solar parks, providing higher yield per surface area and lower balance of system costs. Half-cut cells technology helps to reduce energy loss caused by power loss during the current transport. Cutting the cell in half also cuts the current in half, and the lower amount of current flowing decreases resistive losses. Smaller cell size also makes them more resistant to cracking and mechanical impact. With a special passivation layer applying the latest trend, PERC technology, we enhance the module's light capturing ability, making them more efficient. Reliability of energy output is guaranteed with positive power sorting technology. Actual module outcome will be either the same as stated or even up to 3% more than stated. To ensure our product's stable and reliable performance, we extensively tested these with various tests. TUV IEC 61716 for ammonia corrosion resistance, TUV PPP 58042B 2015, for potential induced degradation measurement, TUV IEC 61701 for salt mist corrosion resistance, 8,000 Pascal mechanical load test, TUV thresher test and others, as well as obtained industry standard certifications such as TUV IEC 61730 and IEC 61215. High resistance to corrosion and mechanical stress, and wide operational temperature range from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius allows us to use our modules in very diverse environments, including coastal areas and deserts. Our warranty terms are: for product workmanship, 12 years, for performance, 12 years for 90.7% and 25 years for 80.2% of power output. For shipping, we pack 64 modules per pallet and 832 modules per 40-foot high cube container. Optional smaller pallets with 30 modules is also available. In Asia, we ship from China. In Europe, we have warehouses in Rotterdam, Warsaw and Radom, and a subsidiary company in Frankfurt. Our highly professional customer service team with 24/7 hotline offers technical and logistical support. Sunpro Power is an experienced manufacturer dedicated to production of high-quality photovoltaic solutions with A-grade solar cells. We have updated our production line to the most advanced level, tracking every step of our production and checking with electroluminescence testers 100% of our modules to ensure quality and reliability of our products.